Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of the square root of x, we have the x over number 2 with the square root of x. This one that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so I will put number 2 go to the left. So this one we change by u. The x over the square root of x we change by this one. So this one we have 2u to the power of negative number 3 du. Because if I want to put this one go to numerator, we need to put the negative side. And now we have the final answer. This one we have negative number 2. This one we have negative number 2. 2 divided by 2, we have negative number 1. And this one we have negative number 1 over u to the power of 2. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.